Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to your time zone, according to where you are residing right now. So let's learn and let's go straight to the point. I don't want to talk much, but I want to plead on something. I want to plead on something. Sorry, I might be lacking words in English, or let me just say I might be speaking wrong English. Just take what I'm teaching and leave my English, please. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Today we are going to learn all the basic tools of Pixellab and how we can use it to create flyer like this, this, this. That's it. These are work done in Pixellab. I will show you, like most of my work. Example like this one, I did this thing. This flyer was done using what Pixellab. There are many of them, like this flyer. I designed it with Pixellab, but I'm not here to teach you how to design. I'm here to teach you. If you look at this slide, it says understanding the basic Pixellab tools. Now learn the basic tools in Pixellab and how to create simple flyer with it. Yes, for this, how to create simple flyer with it is only a flyer. I didn't say flyers. I will show you. Maybe I will teach you how I achieve this flyer. Okay, that's it. If you need class on how to design flyers, or if you want to learn how to design some flyers like short design or graphic design, then that one is separate. I will redirect you and I will tell you more details about it. Now let's go straight to it. Now let's start with the upper tools. We are talking about the tools. Sorry, this tutorial will be divided into 3 or 4, because if I'm to run it straight, if I'm to teach it straight, it will consume more space and data for posting it. But let's go straight to the point. Let's go on the first episode. Now we have the number 1, which is this plus sign. Yes, this. Okay, let me just clear. Let me remove this my design. Now this plus sign is, now in mathematics, plus means what? Addition. Yes. Now in Pixellab, plus still means what? Addition. It's either you're adding text, are you seeing it, new text, or you're adding current date. Today's date is I am running this tutorial on 4th, that's April 8th April 2025. Now sticker, you have many stickers, we have them, that's it, you have them. Or you are importing image from your gallery, Now we have another one, how to draw. Are you seeing it? You can pick your pen. Yes, importing how to draw, many of them. Now the next one is this thing. I don't know, it might be floppy disk in computer, but when in Pixellab we mean it has to do with what? Saving a project or saving image. Now this one, if you want to save a project, you just write the name of the project. Let's just save this thing. Now let's go to our project. Are you seeing it? We saved it as a project. Now you're saving it as an image. I'm not going to save it because it's going to occupy most of my spaces. This one is exporting it, and this one is for quote. In case you are lacking inspiration or quote, just press on any quote you want. You grab. So that's it. And this one is for use image from, in case you want to learn more things about Pixellab, but it's not necessary. Now this thing is the name of the, let me just say, logo for Pixellab, to tell us that we are dealing on Pixellab. And this one is undo. I seen it. Everything I'm undoing it. Now the next one is zoom in. If you press on this thing, you just press on it. Now see. Are you seeing it? If you just press on it and you zoom back, once it is blue, and once you press it and this blue something is covering it, doesn't that you can now zoom and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Press it. Now this one is grid line. In case you are grid line, and if you want to import many grid lines, you just press on this place. You press this plus. Are you seeing what is happening? This one is, are you seeing it? This is for grid line. If you want to import the vertical ones, these are for logo makers. They make use of it very much, steady and often. So once you are through, you can just press this grid line. Now look at it. Now here is layers. If you want to off this layer, layers. Now if you want to merge, you can. In case of, there are sometimes you'll be designing and you want to touch this thing, this default, and this one is being touched. If you want to stop the case whereby you are trying to touch another and nothing is touching, just off, or either you lock it. Now see, I see it. Nothing can make this thing to shift from its normal position. If you unlock it, that's it. Now this is all for the upper column. Now let me remove all these things. Praise the Lord. Please just follow me alongside. Now let's go to the next one. The first one is this one. This one is the background that Pixellab gives. If I want to work on this thing, I'll just pick this thing. I will edit some, yet I'll edit most of it. That is it. That is that for Pixellab. Or you can just come over here and delete all of them. Okay, that is all. Now these are the background that Pixellab gives, and this is where the project you saved will be. Now like this one, I like this one. Okay, I did this project last night, so if I want to continue editing, because I'm not yet through with it, I left it for another project. I will continue. If I don't want, I will leave it and enter another project. Now that is all for this one. Now the most important one is this test. In the flyer I said I will teach how to import a test. Okay, let's check. Importing, okay, adding a test and editing it. Yes, let's go into adding it. Now let me delete this one first. If you just press on it, this is how it will be. This one is adding a test. I have added a test. If you don't have it, if you want to add a quote, you just press here, pick a quote. Now how to edit it? For you to edit this new test, double click 1 2. Okay, triple click 1 2 3. Now let me write it my brand name, Dental Concept. Oh sorry, sometimes this happen. Dental Concept. Now this cycle here, or this dot here, means if you just tap on it, once it is blue, you can now minimize and maximize. For this one is to stretch. Are you understanding? That is awful. Now look at what we have here. You cannot edit this text unless you tap on it. Now if it, let's see the magic. There's nothing showing here, but once you tap on it, there's something showing here, right? Now let's keep editing on this one. Now if you want to delete it, you can press this delete. Let me restore it back. Now if you want to copy it many times, you press this copy. You grab. Now if you want to, let me just say something is in front of it, something is in front of, like something is in front of it like this, you just press front, it's come over front. If you press back, it will go to the back. Now this one is this position. Okay, this one is for position, left position, right position, up and down position. In case you need, like you almost there, you reduce the movement, move by 1 pixel. Are you seeing how it is moving? If you increase this thing, it starts moving by 20 pixels. Okay, let's continue. Now this one is relative position. If you want your text to be at the left, you press this one. At the right, you press this one. At the middle, press this one. At the center and the middle, press this. Up, down, middle, center. That is all for relative position. Now the next one is text size. I see. If you increase it, that is it. Or you can use this negative and positive sign. Now the next one is padding. I think there is space over here. I think space are much for this side. I see this. Let me undo. Now the next one is color. You can choose as many as you want. Okay, let's still choose that. Okay, let's leave it at this way. Now for gradient color. No, you press this place. I see. Gradient color. Now if you want to edit this gradient color, you press this plus sign. For the upside, you press. Okay, first thing you press on this thing. Press this place. Choose the color. For this one, press this place. This one is our color cycle. This one is for transparency. This one is for. Are you seeing what I'm saying? I'm coming, sir. So that is it. Now for texture, let's off this color. Oh, I'm coming. For texture, let me increase it so that you see it. Press texture. Press on this place. Now let's pick any color that we want. Okay. Let's go to our Pinterest pins. Okay. Select. I see what I'm saying. That is all for texture. If you delete it, it will just go back to normal. Now the next one is opacity. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Okay. The next one is rotate to 90 degree. It is stand on a horizontal plane. Perfect horizontal. Are you there? So we are going to leave it. This one is for undo. This one is for mark to select. You have selected or you have agreed to what you are doing. Now this mask, see what happened here. Are you seeing it? Now let's go back to that mask. You can increase or you can just, in case you don't need it, off it, disable it and press that check mark. Now the next one is fonts. This one is very, very important. These are fonts I have. Maybe your Pixellab will not have it, but I thought this is a modified app. It's still the same Pixellab, but it's a modified. Someone created it and add some certain features. I see what I'm saying. So that is it. Choose fonts of your favorite, of your choice. Now boldness. And let me use this small one. I see what I'm saying. This one is for italic, underline, remove everything. Now what is the next thing? The next thing is curve. That is curve. Bending. Now the next, let me just undo this thing. Undo it. Now the next one is background. Adding background to it. There's background. Are you see what I'm saying? Okay. Now the next one is alignment. We have left align, right align, center align. I see what I'm saying. Okay, just mark it. We have justify. Let's use this one and explain everything. We have left align. Everything has been left aligned. The edges has been left aligned. We have center align. We have right align. Justify. Look at how justify is. Let me use this one and do it. This one will not do it. Now the next one is spacing. I see what I'm saying. Word spacing. Okay, that is it. Now we have line spacing. Now we have the next one. Let me use this one. Stroke. If you want to increase the width of the stroke, the color of the stroke. Another one is shadow. I seen it. Shadow color. Adding shadow to your text. The next one is emboss. This one worked perfectly on Android version 8. Less than 10 is good for emboss, but greater than from 10 it will start cutting, start doing something like this. So emboss. We have perspectives. I see the magic. Wow. Okay, this for perspectives. Let me undo it. Now the second to last one. Okay, let's talk about 3D rotate. Right. I see what I'm saying. Okay, that's it. Now let's talk about 3D itself. Let me remove this background. Now look at this 3D. Okay, this one is a depth. This one is a darken. I will show you something. This one is oblique. This one is prospect. Now let me show you something from this 3D rotate. Are you seeing what I'm saying? This is all for 3D. Now the second to last one is 3D shadow. Hope you are seeing what I'm saying. 3D shadow. You can change the color of your shadow, opacity of your shadow, blur radius of your shadow, expand by shadow, and the last one is reflect. So this is all for today. Thank you, class. See you in the next episode.